All right, turns out it is a little bit of a Bill Cosby show. Okay. It's not enough to show up on a talk screen. You know what I mean?
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
AJ Wilkerson. Holy shit, Spokane! How we doing, Tacoma? Seattle, how we doing? How we doing, Eugene? It's cool. This is the first city I've ever performed in where saying the name of the city sounds like I'm talking to just one person. Eugene, I have a confession to make. How are we doing, Salem? Pretty good. That's how you know you're in Oregon, dude. You're like, how are y'all doing? They're like, pretty good. How are you? Hi. I have an anxiety disorder. I have a social anxiety disorder. A room full of people all stare at me at one time, and all of my fast twitch muscle fibers fully activate because my brain convinces me that you all are going to turn on me. Then I'm going to have to fight my way out of here. Fast twitch muscle fibers! Oh, I could fist fight all of you, dude. I won't, because I'm a sweet boy. But just so you all know, I could take you. Got the fast twitch muscle fibers and the retard strength. He is almost unbeatable. That he is. It happened. She died. You heard it. Don't cover your mouth. Let it out. Let it out. Make some noise if you've ever been to Florida. As someone from there and our unofficial lieutenant governor, that's an alligator call. Yeah, so you guys remember that video on TikTok where they showed the alligator like growling up close? You can see the water fucking doing that on purpose. That's happening inside of her body right now. All of the water in her bladder is dancing and going. And then we got Sydney's fucking goose call from the balcony, dude. It's like a Pixar love story, dude. We got a land mammal and one that lives in the sky. Somebody fucking snorted. Somebody fucking snorted. You can tell when I lost my place because I start wandering around stage like a Roomba. Just a lost bitch, dude. Fucking bitch girl autism. We're back. Fucking P. Sherman 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney. Let's fucking go. Except now we're not back at all. Dude, I'll cook something and I'll wake up at 4 a.m. because my brain set off a red alert and it's like, you fucked up in the kitchen, bitch. And then I will run downstairs in a G-string because I don't know why, but I was gonna say in my underwear, but my brain said, no, say G-string, it's funnier. And so now you guys think I sleep in women's underwear, and that's fine, I don't sleep in any underwear, but that's not important either. Okay, forget I said that. You forget. I said forget! No. Oh, what's up, mustache? Are you the guy that's into prostitutes? What's up? I don't know what his wife just said to him, but it sounded like she said, "Stop it, are you crazy?" What'd you say?
I said, did he just call me a prostitute?
If he did, all he meant is that you fuck so good he'd pay for it. Goose and Maverick, my guy, I fucking got you. Just because I can't get an erection in this city doesn't mean you don't have to. You ever say something out loud and be like, you shouldn't have said that, but then your brain immediately goes, yeah, but we did. This is not a Bill Cosby show! Modern problems require modern solutions. Yeah. I apologize for doing Black Voice in Seattle. That was my bad. It's not racist if you voted for him. I don't know. Imagine 300 years from now when like society thinks like Barack Obama's voice is black voice. Do you know what I mean? Because if I do Barack Obama, nobody's like, how dare you, dude? But if I just started doing a black voice, everyone in here would be upset. No, I'm not gonna do it. All right, here it goes. All right, you guys want to hear me do a different black voice? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys... Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Here it goes. Bah. All right, turns out it is a little bit of a Bill Cosby show. Okay. It's not enough to show up on a talk screen. You know what I mean? I apologize. Doctor's note. Okay. It's weird. There's these lights up here are super bright in my face, and then every time I look up, I see other lights behind them, but they're all leaving light trails. So all these little fucking bundles of lights in the ceiling all look like meteor showers from up here. Maybe not. Maybe I just need a little bit more of that ZQL. Maybe. Either that or I'm blinking too slow, so my eyes are taking long exposures of the room. Dude, I'm blinking too long, so my eyes are taking fucking night photos like on iPhone. Dude, just fucking. We had a show before this one, dude, that sold out. There were more people. And technically, I think this show also sold out, but you guys look back there, you see all the empty seats. I think those are all the people that bought tickets thinking they were just donating to charity. It was like, bless his little heart, giving money. Anyway, my point is, I need you all to do me a favor when you leave here tonight and tell the others what happens here tonight. I didn't know the comedy club was right next to the zoo, Spokane. I don't know that. When the chimp love is going on in this back corner, dude, I forgot what I was talking about. There's a screech from a gibbon in the back corner that just said, "Ha!" I can't tell if that's a laugh or a whimper. Can't tell if that's a happy hyena or a dying one. Do you remember those fucking speak and says? Do you remember like with the little lever and it's like, what does the cow say? Do you remember that? Do you remember if you ever had one of those and it would get stuck between the coyote and the chicken when like the batteries were dying? Saying your laugh sounds like my childhood is. Also, what is this? What was that up here? I'm gonna figure out which fucking. Hard eye contact. Why do you keep covering your mouth? Let it out. I don't care what you do out there in the real world, but in here you do not swallow. You clear? I'm tired. I think I'll go home now. Good night, Spokane! I'm AJ Wilkerson! Yeah,